From versatile destroyers to stealth frigates, we will marvel at the sophisticated designs and formidable weaponry of these sea combat machines. These escort ships not only play a crucial role in protecting other vessels, but also serve as formidable support forces at sea. Get ready for an exciting adventure.
10. Doeven Provincien class frigates. HNLMS Doeven Provincien F802 is the lead ship of the Doeven Provincien class air defense and command frigates currently serving in the Royal Netherlands Navy. There are 3 other ships in this class: HNLMS Tromp, HNLMS De Ruyter, and HNLMS Evertsen. Doeven Provincien is the 8th ship of the Royal Netherlands Navy to bear this name. The name refers to the 7 provinces that originally formed the Union of Utrecht. It was built by the Damen-Shell Naval Shipbuilding Company in Vlissingen. Its design incorporates stealth technology as well as advanced radar systems, such as the Dutch-designed Smartel and APAR. As of December 2009, Commander Hugo L.J. Amerlon was the commanding officer of Doeven Provincien. With a speed of 30 knots, this ship can maneuver flexibly on the open sea. Supported by a crew of 174 members, including command personnel, it operates efficiently. The sensor and processing systems on HNLMS Doeven Provincien are state-of-the-art. The air and surface surveillance radars, Thales Netherlands Smartel and APAR, enable the ship to search, track, and guide with precision. Additionally, the tracking and surveillance system is significantly enhanced with technologies like Dagger and AV, Scout, Sirius IRST, and Mirador. To protect and respond to threats, HNLMS Doeven Provincien is equipped with Thales Sabre ECM electronic warfare and decoy systems. In terms of weaponry, this ship is well armed with an Otto Milara 127mm, 50 for multi-purpose gun, Browning M to 12.7mm machine guns, FN Mag 7.62mm machine guns, a Goalkeeper C IWS, and an array of anti-ship and surface-to-air missiles. 9. Carol Doorman class frigates. The Carol Doorman class is a class of frigates originating from the Netherlands. The Carol Doorman class is a versatile frigate. It was developed in the mid-1980s to replace the Jacob van Heemskirk class frigates and several Korteneer class frigates. The Carol Doorman class is considered one of the best Cold War-era frigates. Surface targets can be attacked with Harpoon anti-ship missiles and a super-rapid 76mm multi-purpose gun. Sea Sparrow missiles in the unusual Mk-48 launchers on the port side are used to counter aerial targets. Submarines can be attacked with 2 twin Mk-46 torpedo launchers and a Lynx helicopter. A 30mm Goalkeeper C IWS and to 20mm Oerlikon guns are equipped for self-defense. The Carol Doorman is equipped with the Suico 7 combat data system. A smart air and surface search radar is mounted at the top of the sensor mast. The LW08 air search radar is installed on the hangar. To steer fire control radars are used in conjunction with the Sea Sparrow missiles. A hull-mounted PHS-36 sonar and a towed array sonar are employed to detect submarines. The Carol Doorman is equipped with a COD-OG system, which includes display gas turbines and Towert Silk diesel engines powering to shafts. The maximum speed is 30 knots. The maximum range is 5,000 nautical miles at a speed of 18 knots. A total of 8 ships were built for the Dutch Navy. Due to the introduction of the Doeven Provincien class frigates and the end of the Cold War, the number was reduced to just 2. Chile, Belgium, and Portugal each purchased 2 ships. The Carol Doorman class is expected to remain in service for many years to come. 8. Holland Class offshore patrol vessels. The Holland Class offshore patrol vessels are a class of 4 ships built for the Royal Netherlands Navy. They are designed to conduct patrol and intervention missions against lightly armed adversaries, such as pirates and smugglers, but possess much higher-level radar and electronic surveillance capabilities used for roles in stability and the military security rather than full-scale warfare. Lacking sonar or long-range weaponry, they rely on the surveillance capabilities of the Thales integrated mast, which includes integrated communication systems and 4 phased array radars for air and surface search. The Holland-class offshore patrol vessels have a speed of 21.5 knots and a range of 5,000 nautical miles at a speed of 15 knots. The ship's complement is 52 personnel, with accommodation for up to 39 additional personnel for missions such as helicopter operations or medical teams. The main weapon of the Holland class is the Odo Melar super rapid 76mm gun, which has a firing rate of 120 rounds per minute and a maximum range of 16 kilometers. This gun is sufficient for engaging smuggling vessels. Secondary armament includes an Odo Melar Marlin WS 30mm automatic cannon, 2 Odo Melar Hydrol and T12.7mm guns, and 12.7mm AM/HB machine guns. These ships can monitor aerial targets, missiles, and UAVs within a range of 250 kilometers and surface targets within a range of 70 kilometers using the Thales integrated communication and sensor system. The sensors are housed in an integrated mast, also provided by Thales, called the iMast 400. Thales also manufactures the satellite communication systems for these ships. 7. Walrus-class submarines. The Walrus-class submarines are the only class of submarines currently in service with the Royal Netherlands Navy. The Walrus-class submarines are the only class of submarines currently in service with the Royal Netherlands Navy. The Walrus-class submarines are known for their surface speed of 13 knots and submerged speed of 21 knots. They have a range of up to approximately 10,000 nautical miles when traveling at a speed of 9 knots and can reach a test depth of over 300 meters. The Walrus-class submarines are equipped with advanced sensor and processing systems, including radars such as Signal Decca 1229, Signal ZW07, and Argo Phoenix I. The sonar systems include Thomson Sintra TS M2270 to Eladoni Octopus, GEC Avionics Type 2026 towed array, and Thomson Sintra Do 5 passive and intercept sonar. The Walrus-class submarines feature 21-inch torpedo tubes and have the capacity to carry up to 20 Honeywell Mk48 torpedoes or Honeywell NT37C DE torpedoes, along with the capability to use UGM-8 for Harpoon anti-ship missiles and up to 40 mines. Although they entered service after the Cold War ended, these submarines have performed admirably in various international conflict situations where their deployment was required. Due to their excellent reputation, Dutch submarines often participate in international exercises and simulated combat scenarios. Their capabilities and performance have earned them a respected role in international naval operations despite the shift away from Cold War dynamics. 6. Rotterdam Class amphibious transport docks. The Rotterdam class consists of 2 amphibious transport docks currently serving in the Royal Netherlands Navy. Constructed by Damen Shell Naval Shipbuilding at Vlissingen, their primary mission is to conduct amphibious warfare by transporting significant elements of the Marine Corps' combat forces. These ships feature large helicopter landing decks and dwell decks for large landing craft, as well as space to accommodate up to 33 main battle tanks. Rotterdam was commissioned in 1998 and Johan de Witt followed in 2007. Both Rotterdam and Johan de Witt are based at the naval base Nieuwehaven in Den Helder, the Netherlands. This ship has a speed of 35 kilometers per hour and an operational range of up to 6,000 nautical miles. In terms of capacity, it can carry either 90 armored personnel carriers or 32 main battle tanks and accommodate either 170 armored personnel carriers or 33 main battle tanks. With a military complement of 595 Marines and 555 sailors, the ship is capable of effective operations at sea. The Rotterdam sensor and processing systems include Thales Netherlands to D radar, EO Gatekeeper alert system, SATCOM, Link 11, and JMCIS. Additionally, it is equipped with electronic warfare systems and the SLQ-5 Nixie tow decoy system to protect against threats. In terms of weaponry, the ship has 2 goalkeeper sieves and 8 tense Browning 12.7mm machine guns. This class is the result of a joint project between Spain and the Netherlands to develop a common LPD type to meet the needs of both countries in replacing aging vessels. This collaboration led to the Enforcer design, forming the basis of the Rotterdam class as well as the similar Galicia class and Bay class. 5 ocean-going patrol vessels. The Holland Class offshore patrol vessels are a class of 4 patrol ships built for the Royal Netherlands Navy. They are designed to perform patrol and intervention missions against lightly armed adversaries, such as pirates and smugglers, but possess much higher level radar and electronic surveillance capabilities intended for roles in military stability and security rather than full-scale warfare. Lacking supersonic waves or long-range weaponry, they utilize the surveillance capabilities of the integrated Thales mast, which incorporates a communication system and to 4-faced phased arrays for air and surface search. This versatile ship has impressive specifications, including a speed of 21.5 knots and a range of 5,000 nautical miles at a speed of 15 knots. These ships typically carry essential boats and landing craft, such as fast rescue boats and rapid interdiction and special forces craft. Additionally, they can accommodate a crew of 54, with space for an additional 40 personnel. Equipped with advanced sensor and processing systems such as the Thales Integrated Mast, Seamaster 400 Smile Radar, Seawatcher 100 Radar, and the Gatekeeper Electro-Optical Surveillance System. The ships are armed with a 76mm Odo Malar Super Rapid gun, a 30mm Odo Malar Marlin WS gun, and machine guns including the 12.7mm Odo Malar Hydro NT and 7.62mm FN Mag. Furthermore, these ships have aviation capabilities, being able to carry an NH-90 helicopter, with facilities including a landing deck and a hangar suitable for a medium-sized helicopter. 4 Almar Class Mine Hunters. The Almar class consists of 15 mine hunters built in the Netherlands for the Royal Netherlands Navy. They are based on the design of the tripartite class, developed through a collaborative effort between the Netherlands, Belgium, and France, and replace the Doeven class minesweepers and mine hunters. In 1975, the Netherlands, Belgium, and France signed an agreement to jointly develop a new mine countermeasure vessel. It was also decided that each country would contribute to the construction by being responsible for certain components and systems. As a result, the Netherlands was responsible for the main propulsion, gearboxes, and propellers. France provided the mine countermeasures and electronic systems, while Belgium constructed the remaining mechanical and electronic facilities. The Almar class is equipped with the French Doeven 1B sonar, used to detect and classify mines, Rakel Deca 1229 radar, and the EVIC charting system. This sonar has a range of nearly 1 kilometer and allows the ship to search for mines at depths of up to 80 meters underwater. Additionally, each ship is equipped with two Poisson auto-propulsed Type 100 for unmanned submersibles used for mine clearance. The PAP 100 for wire-guided drone has a television camera for observation and can be fitted with explosives to destroy mines from a safe distance. The ships are also equipped with a 20mm machine gun. From 1987 to 1989, the Maas-Lewis, Hellevoetsluis, and Urk operated in the Persian Gulf as part of a mine-clearing operation under Belgian command. In 1990, the Almar and Ziertzi participated in the Safe Pass exercise off the west coast of the United States. 3. Daemon Enforcer-class patrol vessels. The Enforcer is a ship design created by Royal Shell based on the design and construction of HNL-MS Rotterdam. HNL-MS Rotterdam was developed in collaboration between the Royal Netherlands Navy and the Spanish Navy. Enforcer encompasses a series of large-scale landing dock designs ranging from 120 meters to 180 meters in length, configured to transport and then deploy a military force comprising Marines, vehicles, equipment, and supplies. The Royal Marines and the Royal Netherlands Marine Corps have trained, exercised, and operated together since 1973 under the auspices of the UK NL Landing Force. Both corps are currently embarking on modernization efforts to achieve greater flexibility, scalability, and optimization for a wide range of combat and non-combat roles. Development began in the 1980s when the Royal Netherlands Navy started exploring ways to provide amphibious transport capabilities. In 1994, preliminary design work began. The Spanish government proposed a design collaboration in 1990. A memorandum of understanding was signed in June 1992. Basic design development took place in 1993, after which the navies turned to local companies for further design and construction, Royal Shell in the Netherlands and Basin in Spain. Royal Shell completed a ship of the Rotterdam class, with HNL-MS Rotterdam being built from 1995 to 1998. Basin, Navanger completed two ships of the Galicia class based on the design. 2. ZR Miss Amsterdam. ZR. Miss Amsterdam is a replenishment ship of the Royal Netherlands Navy. Amsterdam is the 20th ship of the Dutch Navy to be named after the city of Amsterdam. The ship was built by the Royal Shell Group in Vlissingen and was launched in 1995. ZR Miss Amsterdam is a replenishment ship with a displacement of up to 17,040 tons. The ship measures 165.8 for x 20.00 meters, with a draft of 8.00 meters. It has a crew of 209 people. The ship is equipped with engines providing a power output up to by 9,680 kilowatts, allowing a maximum speed of up to 20 knots. Its armaments include one ship's anti-aircraft turret, 6 12.7mm machine guns to mag 7.62mm machine guns, and 3 helicopters. Naval ships must be capable of continuous operation at sea for extended periods. This is only possible if they are regularly supplied. These ships function as a force multiplier. This ship transports essential supplies at sea such as fuel, clothing, food, and ammunition. The ship features a helicopter landing deck and hangar capable of accommodating several helicopters. Its carrying capacity is 10,300 tons, including 9,000 tons of fuel. ZR. Miss Amsterdam is named after the municipality of Amsterdam in the province of North Holland, which is also the capital of the Netherlands. The emblem of ZR. Miss Amsterdam is derived from the coat of arms of the city of Amsterdam. The motto Valiant, Steadfast, Compassionate was awarded by Queen Wilhelmina based on the city's merits during World War II. In December 2014, the ship was sold to Peru. 1. ZR Miss Groningen. HNL-MS Groningen is a Holland Class offshore patrol vessel operated by the Royal Netherlands Navy. The ship was built at the Romanian shipyard in Galati by the Dutch company Doeven Group. The vessel is equipped with 2-man 12 volts to 8, 3D diesel engines, each providing a power output of 5,400 kilowatts, enabling the ship to reach a speed of 20 knots and offering a range of up to 5,000 nautical miles. With an endurance of up to 21 days, Miss Groningen is capable of transporting and supporting boats and landing craft, including a fast rescue boat and to fast raiding interception and special forces craft. The armament includes a 76mm gun and a 30mm gun, along with various other machine guns. The ship is also capable of carrying an H-90 helicopter and is equipped with advanced sensor systems such as the Seamaster 400-mile radar and the Gatekeeper 360 electro-optical surveillance system. Here are the top 10 most powerful escort ships of the Royal Netherlands Navy. From versatile destroyers to stealth frigates, we've admired the strength and beauty of these formidable sea combat machines. The Netherlands has truly invested heavily to possess an advanced and formidable naval force. And to wrap up today's video, here's an exciting sneak peek for you about our next topic, the top 10 most powerful nuclear submarines of the French Navy, with the power of nuclear engines and intercontinental ballistic missiles. These submarines have become some of the most formidable nuclear weapons in the world. Stay tuned to explore these powerful and technologically advanced underwater machines. Don't forget to like and share this video if you found it useful. Subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you won't miss our upcoming interesting videos. Thank you and see you next time.